Hello, in our last video, we talk about, wait a second. Yeah, in our last video, we talk about, we are going to talk about, Instagram, how to put, our post and, many things related to that. So, let's start now. As you can see, here, that is the, Instagram pages. What you have to do, I already told you, but I want to repeat it again now. So, what you have to do, uh, I, told you that you should have, six Instagram pages. Why I want to, always tell you that you have six Instagram pages. Okay, let's understand. Suppose that you are going to promote, something. Okay, I took the topic, let's say I took the topic handbag. Okay, handbag. How we are going to promote this thing? In our first Instagram ID, I told you that we have to do 10 posts. Suppose that I'm going to let's take an example for 5 posts now. I'm doing 5 posts. Okay, and I'm using some hashtags here. you know uh, yeah, I'm using some hashtags here. Now in our second ID, we are going to post 5 posts, and again we are using some different hashtags here. Different hashtags, not same hashtags. We will go to use different hashtags here. Again, in a third Instagram ID, again we are posting 5 posts, and we are going to use different hashtags here. Not same to this, not same to this, different hashtags. So why I am saying that, same thing you repeated here, same thing you repeated here. So why I am saying this thing, you know every day there is thousands of hashtags. There is thousands of hashtags, or in this thousands of hashtags, there are some 200 to 300 premium hashtags for every day which got trained. Premium hashtags are there which are going to train. So in our sixth Instagram ID, if we contain all these hashtags in our post, and we repeat, in this, I use 30 hashtags, in this I use 30, in this we use 30, in this we use 30, in this we use 30. And what we do, suppose that I put a post from here, I put a post from here, that is the post. After after approximately 20 days, when you every day you do 10 posts, what you see, that your hashtags are trending. Because uh, if you are going to, if you think this post are going to trend, there are so many posts in this world. Every second everybody is putting approximately 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs post, if you contain all the IDs. So post never get trend, post never get trend, always hashtags get trend. So if you contain all these hashtags, one of your host hashtag will get trend. Trend. Okay. When it get trend, you are going to getting traffic. So how we are going to do this? I am just telling you everything in just step by steps. Okay. Now let's do this. Suppose that I am doing, I am saying these posts are here. These are very good looking posts. I'm whatever I'm taking a premium clothes here. Okay, now what I have to do, suppose now we can see here, there are I think I'm audible right now. Yeah, wait a second. Yeah, yeah. Now what we have to do, suppose that I open one of the post here. Okay, you can upload this, photo and all. How you can upload, photo. Suppose that I click, plus here, select any images from, in my laptop. Suppose that I, select these image. This is an Indian jersey, which, I will select. I select that, and what I have to do, I just, click next here. After that, I click next. Whatever caption you can write. Suppose that I wanted to write that, buy this now, this is in sale, uh, if you buy this right now, you can get, 20 30, you can get 30% discount right now, right now, limited stock left. After that, what you have to do, you have to, search, suppose that you have to search, um, Instagram hashtags generator. Okay, now I search this, and what I write here, I write here Indian jersey. Okay, what I write Indian jersey here. Okay, so I generate hashtags here. So what I see that, there are 16 hashtags are there. So I just sorry. So I just copy these hashtags and put it on, here. So what I do, I just put it on here. Okay, now you can add your location. Suppose that I use, Delhi. I add my location as Delhi, India. Accessibility and advanced setting, you don't have to, do that, and just put share. That what you have to do in every account. Whatever post you are going to done, you have to do this thing. Suppose that, this is the top, and, I didn't use, any uh, hashtags here. I use, so many hashtags here, and you can see that, there are so many hashtags. I use keyword, I use, so many things. So how I generate this, hashtag? What is this? This is kurti. So what I have to do, I have to just, search this, and what I put here, I have to put, you know kurti, or, top, and tops actually. So, it will generate hashtags. It will generate, so many hashtags. Okay, now, you have to just sign up here. It is not free, I think. So, okay, so we will get, any other website. Yeah, there are so many websites are there where you can easily, generate hashtags, for free. So what I do here, I just, get this website. Okay, now what I have to do, I usually, generate my hashtags by the help of Ahrefs. So, that is the, best tool, but it is a paid tool you cannot use. I think, it is not working only because of it my laptop is hanging right now. So, suppose that I go on that website. Now what I do, I just put here whatever hashtags I want. I want hashtags for tops. So, I click on generate hashtags. What it will do. So, you can see here, so many hashtags get, generated. There are so many hashtags what you can use. So I just copy these hashtags and, put in my, post here. So that's how you generate hashtags. For every post you have to generate, hashtags, and just, copy that, and, create a post like that. You can see there, good significant, content is here. If you want to do the affiliate marketing with CPA marketing, so what you have to do, just, you are seeing here, it is just, pen. You can use, WhatsApp number, your number here. You can sell this thing. How you can book, you can say, step by step. But in starting, you don't have to do this thing, because first, what you need, first you need traffic. So how you can get need, how can you get traffic in starting, for 45 days? What you have to do, after that we will update this thing. So what you have to do, first you have to put post. Post is the most important thing right now. And after that, write some content. And how you get this content? Suppose that I wanted to post this, this bag. So how I will get content for this? Okay, so in description, you can see so many things, whatever is related to this. So just put product dimensions. you know uh, you don't have to write date first available. You can choose right manufacturer. You can choose country of origin. You can choose department. You can choose item weight, item, this. And just just copy paste this thing and put it in your content. That what you have to do. In starting you don't have to think too much. And after that, what you have to do, you have to just go to hashtag generator and generate hashtags and put, and just do one thing. Just share this thing and do for the daily basis. You have to do this thing. You have to take action for that. You have to post at least 5 posts every day on your each account. And why I am saying that you don't have to use one account for this? Because account gets saturated. In starting, if you're using so many hashtags in your single account, it will not get so much engagement, so much reach. So for that's why I'm using 6 account. And after that, after 10 to 12 days, I will tell you how these 6 account will make a magic. It will become your traffic generator actually. How this 6 account, how this 6 account become traffic generator for you. So what you have to do, you have to just open, if you cannot open 6 account, open 2, open 3, as much as you can open. Just open more than one. That's what I wanted from you. And just post 10 post every day. Post plus content and plus hashtags. Use this. After whatever you are saying, and these things. And after that, what you have to do, you have to do follow and follow. And how you can we do follow and follow? Let's see let's see how we do this. First we have to search any page related to beauty. This is a top. So tops for you know women, top store for women. So what we have to do, just you know just click on whatever followers she have, that page have. So what we have to do, just follow 30 people at a time. Okay, just follow 30 people at a time. That what you have to do on your daily basis for each account. That's why I wanted to tell you, you have to make 6 account. Because for by one account you can follow only 30 people a day. If you are following more than that, your account will get banned. So follow 30 people and just follow that. After following that, they will follow you back, and that is the reality. Okay, after following that, they will follow you back. And after they follow you back, after waiting for 2 or 3 days, you know whoever you are following right now. Okay, suppose that suppose that there is 16% who I am following. So in starting there, 5% who I follow few days before. So what I can do here, I can just do unfollow. So why I am saying this, you have to do unfollow? Because what people think when they come to you. If you want to generate organic follower for your account, so what people think, people will think that this page quality is so much good, so people are following this page automatically. Okay, he's not buy followers and whatever. So that's why you have to unfollow people too. So what you have to do, first day you suppose that follow 30 people. Second day follow 30 people. Third day you follow 30 people. In your third day, what you have to do, you have to unfollow, starting 30 people. Unfollow starting 30 people, and just do on your daily basis. Follow, unfollow, follow, unfollow. After 45 days you will get at least 10k people. 10k people for sure. And you in this 10k people, you will follow and follow only 1k, 1000 people, and 9000 people will grow, organically. And that is the algorithm of Instagram, what you have to understand. Okay, because if you understand how you can grow your account, that is also called growth hack. You are hacking your growth. You are increasing your follower, because you are messing up with Instagram algorithm, and that's how you grow your channel. So what we have to do on the daily basis: 10 posts on every account with content with hashtags, follow, unfollow, and you have to do this thing for 45 days. Okay, and you will generate traffic. And now, in another lecture, in our next lecture, I will tell you how you can maintain your website for that. Okay, I hope you like this lecture, you love this lecture. I just wanted to say only one thing to you: just take action, because if you are not taking any action, you are not going to earn anything. I hope you love this video. Thank you very much.